This is Ben from Testiv. Today we're going to be answering a natural science question from the ACT. So let's start by reading the question. Within the passage, Herschel's statement in the third paragraph, lines 27 to 41, serves mainly two. So we're looking for Herschel's statement, and we're headed to the third paragraph. So let's go ahead and go down to the third paragraph and see if we can find what he says. Okay, so at the third paragraph, I can kind of scan about halfway through, and I can see Sir William Herschel. So I'm going to start reading from right there because I want the context for his statement. Some of Sir William Herschel's observations appear to indicate an association between these neighboring star clouds and nebulae. It is an illuminating bit of astronomical history that when he was sweeping through the heavens with his great telescopes, he was accustomed to say, all right, here we go, to his sister, who, notebook in hand, waited at his side to take down his words, fresh with the inspiration of discovery. That seems like an important little bit of information here. Prepare to write, the nebulae are coming, here space is vacant. Okay, so the reason that I underline the inspiration of discovery part is that we're looking for the purpose of what he said within the context of this passage. So we know that he's making a positive statement, right? It's an illuminating bit of history, and he was fresh with the inspiration of discovery, or his sister was. Either way, there's a real positive vibe. So I'm going to go back up. I'm going to look at my choices here. So I can rule out that it displays the hopelessness of the vastness of space. I can also probably, I can actually probably rule out three of these. I can rule out that it expresses dismay, and I can rule out that it voices disgust and disappointment. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that it reinforces the author's tone of awe. The only thing that I need to check, I know that this statement from Herschel expresses awe, right? Prepare to write. It was the inspiration of discovery. He's talking about something coming and sort of looking out at how empty space is. So now I need to see if that matches the author's tone. So if you've been reading this passage, if you read the first paragraph through, you would know that the author is comparing science and mystery and explaining that science is as fascinating as mystery, or more fascinating in many ways. So the author definitely has a tone of awe.